Thunderjet 24 Alexis Pro. The Pro just basically means the cabin is redesigned for the Pro series. All aluminum boat, 100%. Yep. Heavy gauge weld. No, 24-foot boat, so it doesn't have the full cabin like the dinette. This is just literally seats. Good in-floor storage, both front and back. Set up for rods. Nice place to lock them away. You can make or get the bed rail package, and then the backrests just come into the center to make the seat or make the bed. So this here is just your motor information. So this is just a smart system for Mark. As simple as it is, cup holders can be put anywhere. Fit and finish in the Thunderjet is definitely top notch, 100% top notch. Welds on here are insanely good. Pro XS, so that's a V8, nicely set up, small displacement, but low vibration.